Look at this. Look at this. Colin is a smart man. He gets it. He gets it. Hey, I take 12-4 as long as we are the number 1 seed. I'll take 12-4. Because the Cowboys will probably be a wild card team. Redskins and y'all suck. We're gonna talk about this right now. This on the Demir Show, where I will finally prove to each and every one of you why the Eagles, this team right here, why this team right here runs the NFC East. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. This man's a genius. He may not be liked, but he's a genius. The Eagles, 12-4. Let's talk about it on the Demir Show. Right now. Thanks, Fly.
Ain't this what they've been waiting for? You ready?
Hey everybody, it's your boy, Mezzy Mez of the YouTube, once again, representing my birds. Do this to the side. Now today, on the herd, Colin revealed who was going to win the NFC East. And boy, oh boy, did he give a good answer. Take a look.
Because I think 90% of the teams and the games, this is what you got. I would start in the NFC East. I think Philadelphia, Malik Jackson next to Fletcher Cox in the interior, best defensive line in football. Deshaun Jackson to steal for what they're paying him, a home run guy with Carson Wentz. I think Dallas lost Cole Beasley and David Irving. They bring in Jason Witten. But I think Philadelphia is by far and away the best team in that division. They'll win at 12-4. Dallas will be a wild card team at 10-6. I think they'll be a lot like last year. Confident, good, capable of beating everybody they play, but with a ceiling that's lower than Philadelphia's. Washington Giants round out the division.
I know Colin isn't loved by the city of Philadelphia, but he really is a smart man. He gets it. He understands that the Cowboys are indeed an accident waiting to happen. A wild card team at best. He understands that the Cowboys gotta pay Zeke, Dak, and Coop. He also understands that Dak messed with dildos and has a dog biting women's fingers off. He knows that Zeke slaps women. He knows that the defense of the Cowboys, especially the retired David Irving, can't stay off the wood. Jason Witten is an old tight end leaving ESPN. Jerry Jones got a big ego. Jason Garrett is the cheerleader. Haven't won a Super Bowl since 1996. And the last time they did it, oh my God. Barney Baby by BJ and Riff. This guy right here, 4 years old, watching it. He knows that Dave Gettleman cannot fix a doggone thing. Olivia Burton, gone. OBJ, gone. Landon Collins, gone. He knows that that Eli Manning can't do a doggone thing anymore. That Saquon Barkley got to run the show because Eli Manning only sees green. If you know what I mean. He can't see the field. He can barely see. Eli Manning is old yellow. I've been saying that since the day. Y'all need to take that horse, that rabid dog behind the barn and pow, pull the trigger. But because it was the right decision to keep him and trade OBJ, Dave Gettleman is the worst a GM ever. He ain't fixing nothing, cop. Collins understand that. He also understands that the Redskins are trash. The Redskins are Case Keenum? Case Keenum is your quarterback? Oh my God. With Mike Sanchez fighting to see who the doggone quarterback of the Redskins is. I said it before. Redskin fans suck. But you'll catch up, but you suck. You suck. You absolutely suck. The 49ers, Bears, and Saints, according to Collins, will win their division. But the number 1 of the NFC is this right here. Look at this city. Look at this city. Look at it. Look at this city right here. Huh? Dallas, Washington, New York, y'all can't hang with this. There's only one team that I know will win the division. And that's this. Hey! The Rams and Saints gonna fall out. Look what they're doing. The Bears will win their division, but they won't be, We will be number 1 seed. 12-4, I'll take it. 13-3, I'll take it. 14-2, I'll take it. 15-1, I will take it. Undefeated, I will take it. Collins is a smart man because he knows that the Cowboys suck. The Redskins suck. The Giants suck. There's only one team that's going to win it all. One team that's going to win it all, baby. One team that will be the number 1 seed, first run by home field Super Bowl banner 2-time. And that's us. I said it multiple times, y'all. I guess y'all don't get it. Come at the Kings. And you better not miss. We own everybody. It's a fact. Deshaun Jackson, Malik Jackson, Brandon Listen. Don't let anyone tell you who's the real rulers of the division. That's us. It's us. It's this city. Say hi, everybody. We run it. So, we'll keep making moves, and you three, Cowboys, Redskins, and Giants, get on your knees and kiss the ring. Get on your knees and kiss the ring. We run the division, y'all. We run it. It's ours. You heard it from Colin. There ain't a damn thing y'all can do to stop this ish. So I'm gonna enjoy my day as a future two-time reigning, defending, undisputed NFL Super Bowl champs of the goddamn world. And we will end this show with Colin once again telling y'all who runs the division. It's the birds, baby. It's the birds. Now fly, Eagles, fly. Enjoy.
Because I think 90% of the teams and the games, this is what you got. I would start in the NFC East. I think Philadelphia, Malik Jackson next to Fletcher Cox in the interior, best defensive line in football. Deshaun Jackson to steal for what they're paying him, a home run guy with Carson Wentz. I think Dallas lost Cole Beasley and David Irving. They bring in Jason Witten. But I think Philadelphia is by far and away the best team in that division. They'll win at 12-4. Dallas will be a wild card team at 10-6. I think they'll be a lot like last year. Confident, good, capable of beating everybody they play, but with a ceiling that's lower than Philadelphia's. Washington Giants round out the division.
Ain't this what they've been waiting for? You ready?